Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make roles, how to add roles to persons, and how to delete roles, and how to edit them to whatever you want. So let's get started. Of course, we're going to start with making or creating a role. So we're going to click on this drop down arrow of the server and open up the server settings. Then go to roles, and right here we want to click on this plus icon. And of course, the first thing, in my opinion, what you want to do is create an owner role, just to show like, okay, I am the owner, and maybe there are even multiple owners. So you have, so they can also edit the server and stuff like that. So of course, the owner has to have a cool color. So you can just do it, change the color however you like. I like to have a sort of like dark red, makes it a bit cooler, but that's always up to you, of course. And there's a lot of different settings actually, and I do recommend for the owner to just enable every single setting. Because the owner needs to have access to the full server, of course. And just like this, priority speaker, that is up to you actually, because this will just make the voice of the people with the owner rank a bit louder in the voice channels, so they will stand out more. But that's up to you. So just click on save changes, and once you've done all of this, you want to drag the owner rank on top of all the other ranks, because the owner rank is the most important one, of course, so that one should always be on top. Or else if we do this, then the Me6 rank will be higher than the owner rank, and that of course does not make sense. So we want to have the owner rank on top. So right now I am going to make myself give the owner rank, and that's how you do it. So you just click on someone's name, click on this plus icon, and then add the ranks right here. So I'm going to add the bot rank to these two bots, just like this. As you can see, they are now on the bot list. But if I'd say, for example, this is a member, of course you want to click on this plus icon and then click on member. So once again, click on the name, and where it says roles, click on this plus icon and then add a role. So that is how you add roles. And now that you have your basic roles set up, you can also just change them up. You can go back to the not that one, you're going to go back to the server settings and also delete a role. For example, this one, click on delete bot role, and so delete a role. You can go to the voice channels, you can right click and click on edit category and go to the permissions. You can add a admin role and just also change all these settings to your liking. And there's lots of customization with all this stuff. And I hope I have explained most of the important stuff. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.